Hi, welcome back to my channel.
We're gonna do our first vlog today. Also, I'm Amber. Nice to meet you.
Hello, Amber. Sorry.
My iPhone 6. Traffic who? Diane said I cannot exist in the same house as the three of you simultaneously.
Y'all don't all have to come with me. I'm just getting my wallet.
What if you get kidnapped?
Dude, I lived here. It's okay.
Yeah, and
Just got out of the dollar store. Is there something on the camera? Oh, it's just not focusing. Do a snack haul. I bought some Coke, 16 fluid ounces.
You know those cashiers in there are like...
It was $1. And then I bought some Star Crunch cakes. Can you see it?
Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are you? Today, I get to take the reign. Now look at my makeup and be like... I don't know where any of
this is Amber, by the way. To all my viewers who don't know, this is Amber. She is another best friend.
This is my go-to primer kind of brush. I prime my clients. Okay. We're gonna start with the concealer. First of all, I use the Stila Hydrating Primer, the white one, not the tan one, not the colorful one. The white one. It just makes it hydrated, I guess. I love it. It's my favorite. So she's primed. And now I'm gonna use e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer in, oh my god, this is white. Just kidding. In Fair Rose.
I really thought you were being serious for a second. Am I like a weeaboo?
Yes. You are.
You're a weeaboo who doesn't watch anime.
I watched.
What did you watch? Please tell me what you watched.
there-
As the weeaboo in the room, please
Okay,
tell me.
so I don't really. It's about this superhero guy, and they go to superhero school.
My Hero Academia?
Yes.
Okay, but that slaps.
I've never seen it.
I like it. It was pretty good. My favorite character is the kinky teacher. I don't know her name.
Midnight.
Yeah, that's my favorite character.
I plan on cosplaying like 4 characters from it. No, 5.
You
Sorry.
can turn me into whichever one of them you want.
Okay, but I need to show you who you would make the cutest
Do I
version
know
of.
who it is?
You probably do. She's in like the first episode. She's a main character.
Oh, and then I also watched One Punch Man. I
love
didn't understand the ending like at all.
You look like her.
Uraraka. Uraraka.
This is your hero. Like this video if you want Amber to cosplay Uraraka from My Hero Academia.
Nobody wants Amber back on the channel.
Oh.
Give her your blush.
That's what I'm doing.
The cricket noise is like playing.
I turned you into Peppa the Pig.
Peppa!
What are you doing here?
Why are you in my studio? Ew. How many highlighters are you putting on me?
Enough.
She said. We'll see.
Mhm.
Are we gonna go through every highlighter in her collection? Maybe.
It's 100 layers of highlighter challenge.
I mean, that honestly would probably be something I would do. We all know my obsession with highlighter. If the satellite can't see me.
There we go.
You
Look
need
at
to be-
that.
Ooh. Ooh. Back to my channel.
Regular videos. They suck.
Oh, okay. This is the smokiest I've ever been, and I love
What is this?
I need to get back up in there.
it. Definitely gotta get up in there. This
Yeah.
one is flawless.
Yeah, that
though.
one's really
This one's
good.
like actual perfection. This one though.
There, stop.
You better stop. Come back to me.
We're just on like Michael Jackson.
And in your next video, can you turn me into Michael Jackson?
Yes. I kind of want to turn you into like a very exaggerated pixie.
You can do that tonight. You said that's gonna take a little longer.
I was gonna say I would need you for a good couple hours because we're doing
Couple
liquid latex.
hours.
We're doing liquid latex. I mean the whole shebang.
I don't know how we are gonna do that in the next week and a half.
It's not gonna. It's gonna be a part of the Christmas.
You said I'll think about it. I can be a Christmas baby.
That's all. I like to think.
I like to sit down and have a good noggin time.
Now we're crying about cats.
About the kid.
Look at how little.
The kid came a little tail.
Look,
It's a little towel.
Hims.
Hims. A whittle. A woo. Nobody even knows
look
what
like
color my hair
A
is.
vampire.
Yeah, I like it.
Like, go get your stamp of approval. Get.
Quentin. Oh, you just.
So now that my eyelashes are glued to my eyebrows, there it is, folks.
You can't tell me you don't look vampy, hot, and sexy.
Oh.
I am destined to be an attractive person, as you can tell. Yes, folks. Emily did my makeup. It is 9 o'clock at night now. Neither of us need to go to work, but everyone has to go to work early in the morning.
You
So that's fun. I don't know what time I have to go to work, actually.
Not
I guarantee
7
it's not
or
6.
6.
That is guaranteed. I guarantee. My face, ladies and gentlemen. We did it. It's been 84 years. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for tuning in to.
Thanks for coming to my channel.
Thank you for coming to Amber's channel. Thanks for watching.
Guess I better start coming into more videos so you have an hour-long video.
Basically, because you're weenies. Good.